Kamu ambilnya aku.
Hebat.
Berapa sih?
Okay, everybody.
Kalian diam. Cukup diam saja. Kamu ya.
Hello everyone.
Hai.
Alright, now you still sit with your partner ya. Okay, very good.
Bilang makasih.
Powder mana powder? Kumpul kok di sini? Di Yusuf.
Ya bedain.
Wah, bentar kan dalam hati nggak mau. Tadi kau nggak mau sudah bilang Yusuf.
Okay, let me start.
Iya, buat aku. Mau nggak?
Okay, we will continue.
Masih di sini.
Okay, hello guys. Yeah. Okay, please open your book. See let's finish ya. Please open your book on page 46. 47. This one. 47. We will work, with the same partner that we have. And what you will do the next is to listen and then please give a tick, to the correct pictures from the conversation that you hear. Okay, and then after that, we will have a discussion with all of the groups here. Okay? Yeah. Now please listen carefully to the audio from the conversations, and then give tick to the correct pictures that you hear from the conversations. Okay? You ready? Yeah.
Nyari nggak ketemu deh. Masih di situ.
Unit 4. Have you ever been to China? Lesson 4A. Listening. Activity 2. Listen and take the correct pictures from the conversations you hear. Conversation 1. Situation. Chloe and Arlo are talking about the places they have been to.
Arlo, have you ever been to Jakarta?
Sure, I've been there several times, Guru. I was there just last fall.
Where did you go with?
I learned my whole family. History,
What places did you visit there last school break?
Oh, we visited also the local factory. Then we went to the Jakarta Art Gallery.
What did you do there?
At the factory, we learned the process of cutting the gun. And at the Jakarta Art Gallery, we watched a play.
Oh, that's cool. I've also been to a factory twice, but different ones. And I haven't been to the Jakarta Art Building yet.
Let's go and get together next time.
Conversation 2. Situation. Irwan and Dahlia are talking about the places they have been to.
Dahlia, have you ever been to Malang?
Oh yes, I have, Irwan. We went to Malang on a school trip last year.
How did you go there?
We went there by bus.
What places did you visit?
Well, we went to the Brawijaya Museum and a bee farm.
That's nice. What did you do there?
At the museum, we looked at some historical exhibitions. Then, from the bee farmer, we learned how to get honey from the bees. Awesome, right?
Yeah, good for you. I've been to Malang several times, but I haven't visited a bee farm.
You should do it on your next trip.
Okay. You complete.
Victory.
Okay. Now, yeah. Based on the audio, I want you to discuss these questions, yeah, with your partner. Okay, and then we will discuss the answers together. Okay.
Tidak. Oke, itu tidak. Tidak apa. Apa kirim? Together, aku together we are
Please discuss with your partners. Yeah.
Emang iya.
The question is based on the first conversation. Yeah. It is focused on the first conversation.
Yang ini mau nggak? Kita save place sama itu talking about. Tadi ngomongin tentang apa? Kalau ini kan vacation. Iya. Tadi yes atau yes. Iya pertanyaan. Iya tahu. Emang namanya Nah, saya tanya ini soal apa?
Woi teman, kalian isinya tadi sekarang apa?
Oh ya dari
Vacation apa kan?
liburan,
Your answers here is okay.
Jawabnya di mana?
You write your answers.
Di sini tuh kalau.
Ya benar. Iya benar.
Benar nih. Salah Arab aja. Salah dia. Jadi dia ada salah nama.
Oh ya, aku betul ya tadi. Sekali nggak dengerin.
Sekarang ulang Iwan. Oke. Kamu ujian berapa nilainya?
Kamu?
Salah.
Gak bener. Gak tahu salah.
Ya terus tadi ya.
Dikas.
Tadi apa kan?
Kalau dalam topik tadi
Perjalanan liburan itu.
Vacation.
Speaker itu mana?
speaker.
Emang di belakangnya?
Iya kan?
Emang di belakangnya?
Iya iya. Kan ada.
Bisa maju.
CPS ada.
Kamu punya? Kamu punya?
Kamu punya di rumah.
Ya.
Di rumah.
Oh.
What's your question? Okay, you can write the answers. Dan okay, what about yours?
Yes, gitu. Tapi nggak tahu di mana.
What about you? Okay, yeah. Have you finished? Yeah. So let's fix your answers. Okay, so the first question. Who is talking? Who are talking? Okay, from the first conversation. Yeah? Actually from the first dialogue. Okay, so who gets the first question? Who are talking? Please raise your hands. Okay, so your answers. Yes, the speaker in concert. One is Pablo and hello everyone. Yeah, what is your friend's answer? Can you please mention your friend's answers, please? Yeah, repeat again. The speaker in concert. Conversation one is Pablo and okay, yeah. Pablo and okay, next question. What the persons on the conversations are talking about? Who gets the question? Ini ada loh pada. What are they talking about? Please raise your hands. Okay. Yeah. What are they talking about? Okay, so the places that the speakers visit during the holidays. Okay. What about your group, please? Maybe you have the same question, right? Yeah. Okay. Please share your answers with the class. What are they talking about? Vacation. Vacation. Okay. What they did. Yeah. There. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Next. Who gets the next question? Why does the boy mention his family? Who gets this question? Okay. Yeah. So, your answer? Okay, because they went on the vacation together, okay, with his family. Okay, good. Next, have the speakers visited the same places? Okay, yours. Please share your answers. Please share your answers. No. Okay. Then.
Itu tuh punya siapa?
Very good. If visited different. Yeah, that's it. Okay. The last question. Hello. For what reasons does the boy say that they will go to the Jakarta Art Building together? Okay. Please share your answer. For what reasons? Because we want to watch. Okay. Because we want to watch. Okay. He wants to watch. Okay. A play. Okay. Yeah. He invites her to go there together. Okay. Very good. Right. Okay. Now please take a look at activity 3 because you are going to listen again. Yeah. Listen to the conversation and think what each speaker has experienced. Okay. There are 4 speakers here: Lily, Arno, Irwan, and Nadia. Okay. Give a tip. Yeah. their person's experience based on the conversations. Okay?
Listening. Activity 3. Listen to the conversations again and think what each speaker has experienced.
Conversation 1. Situation. Chloe and Arlo are talking about the places they have been to. Arlo, have you ever been to Jakarta?
Sure, I've been there several times a week. I was there just last school break.
Who did you go with?
I went with my whole family, my parents, my sisters, and my brothers.
What places did you visit there last school break?
Oh, we visited also Bubble Factory. Then we went to the Jakarta Art Museum.
What did you do there?
At the factory, we learned the process of cutting guns. And at the Jakarta Art Building, we watched a play.
Oh, that's cool. I've also been to a factory twice, but different ones. And I haven't been to the Jakarta Art Building yet.
Let's go there together this time.
Conversation 2. Situation. Irwan and Dahlia are talking about the places they have been to.
Dahlia, have you ever been to Malang?
Oh yes, I have, Irwan. We went to Malang on a school trip last year.
How did you go there?
We went there by bus.
What places did you visit?
Well, we went to the Brawijaya Museum and a bee farm.
That's nice. What did you do there?
At the museum, we looked at some historical exhibitions. Then, from the bee farmer, we learned how to get honey from the bees. Awesome, right?
Yeah, good for you. I've been to Malang several times, but I haven't visited a bee farm.
You should do it on your next trip.
Okay. Have you? Okay, have you finished or you need one more play? Have you completed? One more play, yeah? Last one, okay? Yeah, one more, yeah, because I think you would need yeah, this one. This one, yeah? Yeah, okay. You need some part. Okay, yeah, the last play, yeah? Please pay attention.
Listening. Activity 3. Listen to the conversations again and think what each speaker has experienced.
Conversation 1. Situation. Chloe and Arlo are talking about the places they have been to. Arlo, have you ever been to Jakarta?
Sure, I've been there several times a week. I was there just last school break.
Who did you go with?
I went with my whole family, my parents, my sisters, and my brothers.
What places did you visit there last school break?
Oh, we visited an awesome bubblegum factory. Then we went to the Jakarta Art Museum.
What did you do there?
At the factory, we learned the process of cutting the guns. And at the Jakarta Art Building, we watched a play.
Oh, that's cool. I've also been to a factory twice, but different ones. And I haven't been to the Jakarta Art Building yet.
Let's go there together next time.
Conversation 2. Situation. Irwan and Dahlia are talking about the places they have been to.
Dahlia, have you ever been to Malang?
Oh yes, I have, Irwan. We went to Malang on a school trip last year.
How did you go there?
We went there by bus.
What places did you visit?
Well, we went to the Brawijaya Museum and a bee farm.
That's nice. What did you do there?
At the museum, we looked at some historical exhibitions. Then, from the bee farmer, we learned how to get honey from the bees. Awesome, right?
Yeah, good for you. I've been to Malang several times, but I haven't visited a bee farm.
You should do it on your next trip.
Okay. Let's straight to your answers. 2. Who has been to the Jakarta Art Show? Yeah. Next. Who has been to Malang? Irwan? Number 4. Who has visited the Brawijaya Museum?
Dahlia.
And then, who has learned something from a farmer?
Dahlia.
Yeah? Yeah. Good job.
Tuh bener semua.
Now,
Salah dia.
you will work still with the same partner.
Baru diisi.
Nggak salah.
You will do a simple interview, okay? You will interview your partner about their experience. Okay, so this is the question. Have you ever been to blah blah blah? Yeah. So you will have some examples of places that you can ask your friends. For example, have you ever been to Art Job Festival? Like that, okay? Yeah. And then the second question is, the second question, what did you do there? Yeah. You can say, I enjoy the scenery, I watch a play, I learned the process of the chocolate production, for example. Yeah, so it's based on your friend's experience. Okay. You will have this form. You can use these clues. So there are 7 clues like Ramayana dance performance and then Art Job Festival and so on. But you can add your own place. Yeah. And you will do it in turn. So student 1 will ask and then student B will answer and you will do the same. Okay? Yeah. Do you have any questions? Questions? No? And then after you finish doing this interview, you will present it in front of the class. Yeah, like you will say, she has been to Art Job Festival and she watched blah blah blah. That's for the example. Okay? Okay, it's okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Bisa loh kalau sini. Aku barbar pas. Sisi tuh.
Yeah, you can write.
Makasih sini.
Because you are going to share
Susah itu.
Tuh iya,
Iya, Jok.
Aku cuma nyari itu semua.
Ya iya.
You can use the questions, yeah, this one, or yeah, the written ones on paper. Okay, I read.
Ini pertanyaannya, ini jawabannya. Tapi your partner. Cimori itu mana?
Ini nomor berapa? Itu yang di
Semarang.
Iya, Semarang. Dari Semarang yang isi ada kayak patung satu. Ini yang hidupnya di rumah. Boleh nih.
Ini aja boleh nggak?
Boleh nih.
Oh, sampah. Kasih pintu.
Nomor mana? Gaji Mori.
Jadi kalau satunya
You can pick three, yeah, three places, and
Kamu mana?
Satu doang nggak boleh. What did you do?
beli terus
Iya.
Mainan apa?
Nah, main itu kan ada ya?
Emang ngapain? Beli lah.
Ramayana di Nongkrong itu mana, Woi? Di Ramayana mana? Ramayana. Satu kompleks sama Ramayana. Iya. Yang di samping sini kan kami Prambanan kok saya
Tapi kan sekarang openingnya di situ. Jadi apa ya?
Iya.
Nah,
Enggak tahu sih. Aku kurang tahu di luar. Kamu ngapain aja? Kamu tahu
Miss, Miss, satu aja boleh.
mobil lempar
Kamu oh iya
one more.
motor sirkel
Yeah,
ya.
you have ever been to.
Pantai mana pantai nggak? Pantai apa?
ini aku sendiri.
Kamu pernah?
Pantai mana itu?
Kamu pernah?
Pantai Selatan.
Lewat aja.
Kamu lagi punya aku, kamu lagi punya aku. Tapi
Yang di Imogiri itu.
Oh.
Dia tahu aku apa?
Pantai Selatan, pantai Selatan.
Itu loh yang ada apa?
Di mana?
Ada Kadita.
Apa?
Pantai Selatan.
Ditambahin.
Yang nomor satu tadi.
Yang lain.
Yes.
Pernah
Yang pintu.
Mana ya?
Yang
Pernah.
berapa?
Oh, gila kan minyak aku, minyakmu. Oh, ini. Oh, belum besar kamu. Belum.
Apa yang
Mana? Minimal dua. Minimal dua.
Oh, iya.
Iya.
Nah, kalau satu gimana? Kalau satu nggak perlu kemana-mana.
Kalau satu enggak, menurut pemikiranmu kamu pernah kemana aja itu?
Tapi yang boleh. Ya.
Kan? Yang trampolin itu apa? Yang trampolin di SD apa? Namanya. Nah, itu kan juga teman.
Masa gitu nggak mau?
Main trampolin. Play trampolin.
Random. Tadi kamu apa? Rainbow. Oh, nama aslinya. Nama aslinya tuh. Santai.
You can use different places that are not here.
Yang beras juga dua.
Acang
Ditarik.
ya di mana?
Ya, ya.
Kelas.
Kalau ya,
Sama si Korea. Sama
Kan udah jawab.
Dan dijelasin gimana?
Iya. Buat aku cuma nanya aja. Iya.
Mana? Banyak. Aku bocor polisi. Udah.
Ya orang mana? Iya.
Saya kagak.
So let's start
Rilis.
We'll be the first to present
Dari sana. Di sini.
Tulisannya.
Yang benar lulus.
Tumben
Like fast, Thailand.
Naik apa? Naik kuda. Oke, apa sih itu? Oke, thumbs up. So, yeah, you will present your friends' answers by saying this one. For example, Ilona has been to aquarium ship. She saw art painting. Yeah, okay. So let's start from this one.
Di sini.
Di sini please stand up. Yeah, okay. No stories. Hello, please listen to your friends. Closing one tuh. Apa itu? Oke, listen. Hello. Oke, ya.
Ilona has been to Cimory Dairyland Factory. She buy the product. And she has been to Pakuan Mall. She buy some food.
Fauzi has been to Cimory Dairyland Factory. He got the product. And he's been to Estella Mall. Play trampoline and play something. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Please have a seat. Okay, next. Next, please. Finish, yeah.
Jongkok.
Yeah, you can answer this way.
Nggak bisa berdiri nih.
That's for
Ya, ya, tadi.
Okay, listen to your friends. Ini aja, stay with friends.
Iya, been to Pantai Pelangi. Pantai Pelangi.
Okay. Nah,
He released si turtle and langsung dua. Ya, sorry. We have been to Pantai Pelangi and Museum Sona Budaya. He released si turtle and at Museum Sona Budaya. He looking
engagement with family.
at art and painting.
He has been to Cimory Dairyland
Yeah.
Dairyland Factory and Cimory-nya di mana?
Itu mah dia Cimory-nya di Semarang.
Oh, in Samarang City.
Langsung aja kan.
Oh iya. Jadi eating the yogurt and milk.
Yeah, thank you. Good job. Next. Yeah, just mention one place, okay, yeah? Please stand up. Yeah, one place.
Tidak.
Kalau gitu paham.
Kamu dibilangin disuruh sujud gak dapat duitnya.
Enggak, ada parah banget.
Kamu bilang
Dairyland Factory.
mau ngasih uang dia.
Has in the process of productivity.
Kayak begini dong.
Okay, very good.
Tuh.
Has been to Pandi Kuning. He has seen the Indonesia history and national hero.
Nih.
She saw buy something.
Kamu kayak gitu kan?
Pay paper and station. Thank you. Good job.
Kamu masuk.
Tes novel.
Kata dua. Abel has been to Museum Fredericksburg.
Umur berapa?
She watched what else?
2000.
Very good.
Rupiah. Bener bos. Kamu kelas berapa?
Floating market.
Kamu kelas? Enggak ada yang jualan.
Sampai kamu.
Bapak kumpulin. Bapak dulu yang ngarep bata-bata di sini. Masuk tembok. Hei, mana ada samping dulu.
Yeah, okay. So, everyone has the work, yeah, already. You said the result of the interview. Okay, yeah, I think that is up. And just, yeah, have your own belongings and put into your papers, okay? Thank you so much for today's session. Okay. How? How did you spend your holiday? Like, what did you do during the holiday? Maybe one of you please raise your hand. Hello. Take a breath. Yeah.
Santai bro.
Yeah. Okay, so how did you spend your holiday? Ngapain? Liburan. How did you spend your holidays? At home. Yeah? At home. At home. Oh, at home. So you stayed at home. Okay. What about the others? Did you go somewhere, visit your grandparents? You visited to interesting places? Played football? Yeah, did you play football? Oh, okay, you play football? Yeah, with whom did you play football?
My friends at school.
Oh, with your friends at school. So your schoolmates. Yeah. Okay. What about the others, Mas? What's your name? Fauzi. Okay. How did you spend your holiday? Study. Wow. You focus. Study. Okay. What did you study at home? Belajar apa? What did you study?
Prepare for exam.
Prepare for exam. So tomorrow you'll be studying something. Oh, alright. Okay. What about Mbak? What's your name, Mbak? Mbak Ilona. Okay. How did you spend your holiday? Watching monkeys. Yeah. Watching monkeys. Watching monkeys. Oh, okay. Yeah, great. Thank you. Okay. And you already did your good materials, the quiz from Miss Yuki, right? Have you? Yes. Okay. So you all have finished the quiz, yeah? How many of you haven't finished doing the quiz? How many of you haven't finished doing the quiz? Ada yang belum? The quiz in WA group. So everybody has finished ya, the quiz ya. Alright. So let's review. Okay. What did you learn from the materials? Maybe you found new vocabulary, you found new words. Okay. Hello. Everybody's here? Are you with me? Yeah. Okay. So what words or new words that you found from the quiz? I will write the words that you found. Yeah. One, two, lagi. Sorry? Trade. Okay, trade. Yeah, good job. Trade. Okay, what else? Yeah? Louder, please. Trade. Yeah, in English, new vocabulary from the quiz. Maybe what's your name, Mas? The yellow shirt? Yeah. Product. Yeah, product. Okay. Next. What else? I'm sure you find many new words, yeah, from the materials. Okay. But wanna try? No? Sorry? Closer, please. Okay, yes. Museum. Okay, museum. Good job. Okay, what else?
Ada
Theater. Okay, excellent. Theater. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 examples of new vocabularies that you have learned in your quiz, right? Okay, so the first one we have trade. What do you think about trade? What comes up to your mind? What do you know about trade? Yeah? Exchange. Okay. So between exchange between trade between. Okay. Seller and buyer. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Next, product. What do you know about product? What is product? What is product? Yeah. Okay. Things that apa? Things what? Sell. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, okay. Sold. Yeah. Sold. Okay. Product. Things that are sold. Yeah. Okay. Next, we have museum. What is museum? What do you know about museum? Maybe the boys here? Yeah, it's a place for exhibition. That be okay. And then museum. Any other idea? Okay, what else? Okay, it's place for what is it? Showing the ancient things, yeah. For example, yeah. Okay, very good. What about home industry? Home industry. What's that? What's that? Home industry? Hello. What is home industry? Hidup di rumahan. Ya, produce. Yeah, it can be. Next, factory. What is factory? Factory is words. Exhibition. What's that? Good. Last one, theater. What is theater? Yeah? To play. Drama, musical. Okay, very good. Good job. All right. Okay. So I have some pictures, yeah, on the screen. Sorry. So there are 4 pictures. Picture 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And what you are going to do is to discuss the questions with your friends. Okay. Okay, so picture number 1. Let's discuss together. Picture number 1. What place do you see in picture 1? Komodo. Have you been there? No? Any of you? The boys maybe? Have you been to Komodo Island? To picture number 1? Not yet. Okay. And then, can you do there? See, the what else? Enjoy the morning. Yeah. Okay, very good. Next, picture number 2. What kind of place is it? Museum. Okay. What can you do there? Art. See? Okay, historical things. Very good. Okay, have you been there? Yes. Okay, where? Oh, Sana Budaya. And what did you see in Sana Budaya Museum? Yes. You forgot. Next, picture number 3. What place do you see in picture number 3? Industry. Industry of farm. Yeah. And what can you do there? Honey, okay. And then what else? Yes, yeah, we can taste the honey there. And then? Yeah. Okay, you can see the process of making the honey. Yeah. Okay. And then picture number 4. What's that? Factory. It's a factory. Okay. And then what can you do there? See the process of the production. Yeah. Okay. It can be chocolate factory. It can be milk factory. Yeah. So many factories. All right. And now we will play a game. Yeah. How many of you here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So yeah, the game is. So I have 2 cards here. Okay. The first cards are trip destination. Yeah. What is trip destination? Trip destination. Trip is perjalanan. And then destination. Tujuan perjalanan. Very good. Okay. And then the other cards are the relative words. The relative words. For example, this one. I have. Okay. For example, yeah, I have art museum trip destination, and then this one will have related words to which one? Okay. Sorry, can you see? The word? Okay. And then, for example, art museum, it is related to? Yeah. Scenery. Are you sure? Okay. Yeah. And then farm. It is related to farmer here. Okay, good job. Okay, now, yeah, I will give you 1 minute, yeah, to learn about these words. Okay, 1 minute to learn by yourself. Read silently, and then you can find, yeah, the related words. Okay, this one to this one. Okay. Yeah. And then, yeah, I will invite you into 2 groups, yeah. Group trip destination and group related words. Okay. Yeah. And then the ones with related words will show the cards, and then your friends with trip destination cards will find you as their partner. Okay. So if you, Mbak Ilona, for example, Mbak Ilona, you has art museum. Okay. So you will find your partner with, let's say, scenery. Okay. And then after you find your partner, sit with your partner. Okay. Okay ya. Is that clear enough for you? Okay, 1 minute to learn. 1 minute to learn this word. Yeah. 1 minute to learn this word.
Exhibition itu art, there will be 8 students for the trip destination, and there will be 8 students for related words. Okay. After you find your partner, you move your seat. Okay, just sit down with your partner. Okay. Ready? Everybody has already got the card. Now, what you have to do is to find your partner based on the cards. Okay, you already learned these words and find the related words. Okay, sudah tadi? Okay, and now you know. Okay, what these words relate to. Okay, ready? Okay, now please find your partner. Okay, so what's the name? You will find your partner with the green card. Okay? Find the correct words. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Find your partner there. You may move. Okay. Start with the green card. Okay?
You can ask, what's your card? What's your card? Okay. You can ask your friend like, what's your
Ini loh. Ini yang berdiri nggak ketemu. Ya diusir kayaknya Bapak sendiri.
What is it? Wrong partner, it's okay, yeah. You will move to the right partner's letter, okay? Now I will check, okay? Each group. So, what about yours? What do you get? Three, okay. And your number is? Machine, good job, okay. So, this is already finding the right partners, okay? Factory and machine, yeah. Next one. Product. Home. Industry. Okay. Yeah. Good job. Okay. Next. Factory and machine. Okay. Good job. Right. Next. Exhibition. Oh, you can move. Yeah.
Mister. Oh iya.
Okay, so what do you have? Art museum and exhibition. Very good. Next. What have you got? Great. Okay. What about you? Play and national park. You think so?
Yes.
National park and play. Okay, let's see the other one first. Market and tourage, and then. Okay, what about this one? Theater and scenery. You agree? Yes. You agree? Sure? Yes. Oh, you need to change your partner. We have play and theater. It's more about theater, play, ya. Yang pertunjukan with the theater, okay? And then by Ilona with scenery, okay, please? Sorry. Okay. Now, okay, I want to ask you, okay? I want to ask you, so why do you think home industry is related to example is all right, very good. This is okay. Next one about okay. Nice. Yeah. Why do you think market Android is related? Why?
Buy sales.
Yeah?
Buy and sell.
Buy and
Sell.
sell. Okay, excellent. Okay, next. Okay, why do you think machine and factory is related to each other? Factory is using machine, yeah. Well done. Okay, one more. Who got the farm? Okay, why do you think farm is related to farmer? Farm, farmer, work, farmer. Yeah, that's it. Good job. Okay, so now you already sit with your partner. Yeah. Do you bring your book? Okay. Yeah. Now please prepare the book. Di sini. Ya. Tasku aja nah. Okay, please prepare the book and open on page 48. Yeah. We'll listen to some dialogue, yeah, conversations. Okay. And take a look at activity 5. Activity 5. Page 48, activity 5. 48. Oh, ini 48, yes. Okay. Thank you. Open. 48.
Buat namanya.
48, please. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Very good. What about the others? And you? Open 48. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to play. Yeah. Conversations. Please listen to the audio carefully. Okay. And then. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Because I think the sound is a little bit, what is it? Not really that loud, yeah. So please pay attention to the audio, okay?
Pronunciation. Activity 6. Listen and repeat.
Okay. Activity 5 actually, yeah. Activity 5. Listen and repeat. Okay, not 6, that's fine. Okay. Listen and repeat. So, what you have to do? Listen and then repeat, yeah. You say the word. Okay.
Pronunciation. Activity 6. Listen and repeat.
I haven't. I Activity 6. Listen and circle the contractions that you hear. Okay, so you simply circle what you hear from the conversation. Okay, are you ready?
Pronunciation, activity 6. Listen and circle the contractions that you hear. 1.
Oke. Dikasih motivasi biar kuat.
Listen to the fifth.
Okay, ya. I will play it again. The activity 6. Are you ready?
Pronunciation, activity 6. Listen and circle the contractions that you hear. 1.
I haven't been on a school trip before.
2.
We visited the theater 3 times.
4.
Rama will be our guide. He's been to this museum before.
5.
She hasn't told me about the plan.
6.
Look, I finished the school trip report.
One play? Last one, ya.
Pronunciation, activity 6. Listen and circle the contractions that you hear. 1.
I haven't been on a school trip before.
2.
We visited the theater 3 times.
3. Wow, you've bought the tickets for the play already. 4.
Rama will be our guide. He's been to this museum before.
5.
She hasn't told me about the plan.
6.
Look, I finished the school trip report.
Okay.
Enggak, nanti tuh aku dengerin. Iya kan?
Now take a look at activity 7. Yeah, we will finish the conversation.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Pronunciation, activity 7. Listen and fill in the blanks with the corrections that you hear. 1.
I've never been on a school trip.
2.
I haven't heard of the new museum in town.
3. Greg hasn't seen the school play yet. 4.
We visited the farm 2 times.
5.
They haven't bought the tickets for the play.
6.
Despite his sick, we haven't seen him today.
7. Poor girl. She's lost her purse. Nine.
Okay. Thank you. Play.
Play again, please.
Let's discuss together activity 6. Okay. What fractions that you hear?
Enam tadi bener. Entar dengerin orang, Dulu. Emang enggak?
Oh iya, nggak denger ya? Oke. So, activity 6. What contractions that you find? First one. I.
She has.
I. This one.
I have.
Okay. And then
I have.
I haven't. Okay. Job.
Santai.
Next. She has. Or
She has. She has.
with.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Okay. That's all. What about activity 7? Number 1. Blah blah blah. Never been on a school trip. Okay, I've never been on a school trip. Okay, do you agree with number 1? Everybody here? Okay, yeah, alright. Number 2. I haven't. I haven't heard of the new museum in town. Okay, well done. Next, number 3. Correct?
Correct.
Correct? Yeah, what? Correct?
Hasn't.
Yes?
Hasn't.
Hasn't. Yes or hasn't?
Hasn't.
Number 4. Blah 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 visited the farm 2 times. Yeah.
Visited the farm.
Visited the farm 2 times. Very good. Next, number 5.
They haven't.
They haven't. They haven't bought the ticket for the play. Number 6. Is Bobby sick? We haven't seen him today. We haven't seen him today. Number 7, the last one. Poor girl. She's lost her.
Nomor 6 dia Yesus. Nomor 7 Yesus. Berapa she? Berapa enggak she lost?
She's ya. Kamu ngapain ikut langsung? Dan saya biasanya contraction. Aku udah buka kamu baru kan? Aku kan udah tangannya. Itu aku udah buat. Apa ada dong?
Ini kenapa?
You have any questions so far? Okay, we will continue, our activity after the break time. Okay, so you will have a 2 minutes break. Okay, and please be back at 6:15. Yeah, 6:15. Okay.
My house. Yeah. Your house.
Ayo berdiri, Pak. Tetap ini aja. Stay with your partners ya.
Padahal nggak mau pasangannya kan?
Yeah. You may take